Long have you led your fleet with honor and distinction, but your inability to safeguard Halo was a colossal failure.
By the time I learned the demon's intent, there was nothing I could do. I will continue my campaign against the humans.
No, you will not. But become the Arbiter, and you shall be set loose against this heresy with our blessing.
What would you have your Arbiter do?
When we joined the Covenant, we took an oath. This armor suits you, but it cannot hide that mark.
Nothing ever will. You are the Arbiter, the will of the prophets.
How you doing?
The elites are blind, Arbiter. But I will make them see. A bloody fate awaits you and the rest of your incompetent race. The demon is here.
Possibly make any more noise?
Boo.
Whoa.
I guess so. Punch it! Report!
Both engine cores have spun to zero. We're drifting.
Archer pods are cold. I'll need to rekey the system.
Do it and find out where we are. Sorry for the quick jump, Sergeant. You in one piece?
I'm good. Chief?
We're fine.
Ma'am, there's an object coming into view now.
Cortana, what exactly am I looking at?
That is another Halo.
Say what?
So this is what my father found.
Just one question. What if you miss?
I won't.